Now in this question, fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times the first term and the seventh term exceeds the twice the third term by 1, means two conditions are given in the question. And what we have to find? We have to find first term and the common difference. Now, fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times the first term. Now, given first condition, it is fourth term A4 is 3 times the first term. A plus 3D is equal to 3A, or this becomes negative of 2A plus 3D is equal to 0. First thing. Now, according to second condition, it is given seventh term A7 exceeds twice the third term by 1. Okay. So this becomes now A plus 6D is equal to twice of A plus 2D plus 1. A plus 6D is equal to twice of A plus 4D plus 1. Now this becomes negative of A plus 2D is equal to 1. Okay. So these are the two equations now. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 2. Now I strongly recommend you to verify the answer. You can put A3 and A2 here, that our left hand side or right side are equal. Okay. So first term is equal to 3 and common difference is equal to 2. Answer.